Listen to this question. In a right-angled triangle, the two sides enclosing the right angle measure 3x minus 2 centimeters and x plus 2 centimeters. If the area of the triangle is 17.5 centimeters squared, find the length of these two sides. So we have been told that this is a right-angled triangle. Let's look at this. And you've been told that there's a right angle here. Of course, a right-angled triangle has a right angle. And you're told that the two sides enclosing that right angle, that means this side and this side are enclosing the right angle. And the measurements are given as 3x minus 2, of course in centimeters, and this is x plus 2, also in centimeters. You've been told that the area of this triangle is 17.5 centimeters squared. So we've been told to get the two sides. So what do we do? Of course, if this is a right-angled triangle and this side are enclosing that right angle, that means they are going to serve as the base and the height. And if the area is given, we know very well the area of a right-angled triangle should be equal to a half times base times height. We shall come here and say area is equal to a half times, let's take this to be x plus 2 being our base, and multiply this by the height, which is 3x minus 2. We know the area, so we shall just substitute 17.5 is equals to x plus 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2, and this is supposed to be over 2. Why over 2? So a half times this is just this time this divided by 2. Same thing. So we shall multiply both sides by 2. Okay, that is very correct. We shall proceed and have this and this getting cancelled. So 17.5 times that is 35 is equal to, so we shall open the bracket. So x plus 2, then 3x minus 2. It will obviously give us a quadratic expression that we are going to solve quadratically for us to get the value of x. So then proceeding forward demands that we have this. We shall have 35 is equals to, so x times 3x, that is 3x squared. Then x times negative 2, we shall have minus 2x. Then 2 times 3x, that is plus 6x. Then plus 2 times negative 2, that is minus 4. We'll take 35 on this at the other side of the equal sign. So 0 is equals to 3x squared minus 2x plus 2x, that is plus 4x. Then minus 4 minus 35, that is minus 39. This is a quadratic expression that you can solve using any method. You can set use the quadratic formula or the completing square method. Whichever way you may want to take it, we shall be able to get the final answer. Let's use the completing square method. So 0 is equal to 3x squared plus 4x minus 39. For a completing square method that can actually get used to solve a quadratic expression, we shall first be able to divide all through by 3, the coefficient of x squared, for us to have the coefficient of x squared remaining 1. So that means 0 divided by 3, that is 0, is equals to, this and this will disappear. So x squared plus 4 over 3, x minus 13. That is 39 divided by 3. Next, we shall take the constant on this other side of the equal sign. So we shall have 0 plus 13. Because it's negative, it will become positive, is equals to x squared plus 4 over 3x. Okay, we are proceeding on well. Then we shall have 13 is equals to x squared plus 4 over 3x. Next, we have a concept that we are supposed to use. It is b over 2 squared. You take b divided by 2, then you square it. So it will be 13 is equals to x squared plus b. This is b. The coefficient of x is b. The coefficient of x squared is a. And this becomes the c, the constant. So we shall have 4 over. So we can decide to just take the b, we divide by 2, and then we square that. So we shall have 13 is equals to x squared plus, so 4 over 3 divided by 2 is 4 over 6. And this is now able to get squared. And because we are completing the square, we shall have 13 plus 4 over 6 squared also on this side is equals to x squared plus 4 over 6 squared. How did you equate this to that? We are supposed to actually complete the square. That means whatever we do here should also be done here. Look at that. But again, how did you get 4 over 6? So we shall have 4 over 3. And that is able to get divided by 2 over 3 or 4 over 6 in simplified form. So let's get 4 over 6 squared. So 4 over 6 is the answer. So 4 over 6. So 4 over 6 times 4 over 6. So this translates into 13. I think you can see 13 plus 16 over 36. This must be equal to, and of course these are all squared. We'll just have x plus 4 over 6 and use 1 square outside. So it's just 13 plus 16 over 36. So we'll have 13 plus 16 over 36. That is 121 over 9. So 121 over 9 is equal to x plus 4 over 6, and this is squared. So we shall move this square. How? We introduce square root on both sides. So the square root of 121 is 11, the square root of 9 is 3. This must be equal to this, and this will disappear. So x plus, so we shall introduce positive or negative here. Whenever square root is introduced anywhere, please introduce positive or negative, plus or minus. So it will be x plus 4 over 6. And this is going to be plus or minus. So that we shall decide to end up having this getting taken on this other side. So that now it is plus or minus 11 over 3. Correct. Then less 4 over 6. The answer must be equal to x. Okay. So just here 11 over 3. Then less 4 over 6. That gives us 3. So the first x is 3. And then again you can say 11 over 3. Then multiply by negative 1. So that is negative 11 over 3. Then you say minus 4 over 6. And gives us minus 13 over 3. So minus 13 over 3. And of course, the length of a particular side of a triangle cannot have a negative value. So that means our value of x is 3. So the exact measurements, we shall have this as height and this as base. So height is going to be, just take 3, then substitute here. So 3 times 3,